Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make YouTube videos. First, let's talk about planning. Before you even hit record, it's crucial to define your target audience and niche. This helps you create consistent content that resonates. Researching trending topics and keywords can significantly boost your video's visibility. Always outline your video's structure, ensuring you have an engaging hook and a clear call to action to keep viewers engaged from start to finish. Now, let's move on to recording. High-quality visuals and audio are paramount. Invest in good lighting, perhaps a 3-point lighting setup, to make your video look professional. For crystal-clear sound, use an external microphone, ideally positioned 6 to 12 inches from you. Always choose a quiet environment to minimize background noise and distractions, ensuring your message comes through clearly. Once your footage is captured, it's time for editing. This is where your video truly comes to life. Edit out any awkward pauses or mistakes to maintain a smooth, engaging flow. Adding background music and sound effects can significantly enhance the viewer's experience and emotional connection. Don't forget to incorporate on-screen text and graphics to highlight key information, making your content more digestible and visually appealing. Finally, let's talk about optimizing and publishing your video. A compelling title and description, rich with relevant keywords, are essential for discoverability. Design an eye-catching thumbnail that truly encourages clicks, as this is often the first impression. After publishing, actively promote your video across various social media platforms to achieve a wider reach and attract more viewers to your fantastic content.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.